Hi friends, hope you are all doing well. I am just making sure that it pops up on my page, my business page. I'm just gonna give it 1 second. But as you're popping in, say hello. And I just wanna make sure that it pops up on my business page. I see the little red circle and I see myself. Just 1 second. I want to make sure I have comments. Okay, we are at the top of the hour. As you come in, say hello. For those of you that are new to my page, my name is Tammy Civello, and typically you see me creating and seeing my hands. Hello, Jenny. Welcome in. But today I am showing you my current or upcoming registration is now open for my double one sheet wonder class. I'm so excited to have this. I love a good one sheet wonder. For those of you that are not familiar with one sheet wonders, is you take a 12 by 12 piece of designer paper and we chop the entire thing and we make 11 cards. But this is a double one sheet wonder. We are making 22 cards. So we are taking half of one designer paper and half of another, and I'll go over all the details in a minute, and we create projects out of this template. So you can make the 22 projects. You can actually make more than 22 projects. You can make as many as you want. You can use any additional designer paper that you want. It's a great template. It uses the entire 12 by 12 designer paper, and you can create the projects in the class. So what is the class? If you look for this graphic on all of my social media pages, this will have the registration link for this class. You get, like I said, supplies to make 22 cards. You get a half of a pack of our Ocean's Friends designer paper. So you can choose any design that you want. You get one of each design of each designer paper, 12 by 12 designer paper. You can make as many as you would like with any of the patterns. I'm giving you the card bases and the layers for 22, but we are creating with this designer paper, and we are also creating with the Thankful Gardens designer paper. And this paper is absolutely lovely. You can see I go from one extreme to the other. We have our bright and bold sea creatures and crabs and lobsters to florals. So you will get a half a pack of this. You will get one of each 12 by 12 designs. You will also get card bases and layers and any additional die cuts for 22 projects. You will get a full pack of the Sunny Days Delights embellishments. You will also get 22 envelopes. So you'll get 22 envelopes, 22 card bases, 22 layers, and additional die cuts. And the price for the registration is $55 plus shipping and handling. I am sending it ground advantage, so because I wanted to give you the full 12 by 12 designer paper. So I will be filling this up. I have to show you a quick peek. I needed to measure, or I needed to weigh the product to give you guys a proper price, but look how fun. I know that's not the designer paper. I had to put paper in, but look how much product you get. So you get 22 card bases, 22 layers, 22 envelopes, the designer paper for both projects, and you are responsible. If you would like to make the projects just like I am, you will need to purchase either from your Stampin' Up demonstrator or me if you are one of my customers. If you are a Stampin' Up demonstrator, you need to make sure that you have the Ocean's Friends bundle and the spring Corners designer paper, or photopolymer set. So we're going to be using these on the flowers, and we're going to be using these on the ocean friends. So we are creating, let me see if I can manage to get all of these projects we are making, and that makes that double one sheet wonder. Would you guys like to see a few sneaky peeks? I'm not going to show all of them, but I am going to show some of them. So I mean, come on now, look how bright and cheery these are, how fun these are. Let's see here, we will give you this sneak peek. We will get this one, and like I said, I was talking about additional die cuts. I'm going to be giving you these little wonky circles. Let's see here, we have, oh, this one's my favorite. If you are a Friends fan and familiar with You Are My Lobster, and I will be providing this sentiment in your kit as well. And let's see here, maybe one or two more. We have that one, and we have that one. So those are a quick sneak peek of the Ocean's Friends. Here are a few sneak peeks of the Thankful Gardens. Good morning, Joan. Welcome in. I know, Patty, isn't this such a fun deal? So we have that one, and then we're using that spring corner. And this one. I just happened to choose this pattern of designer paper. Like I said, you can choose any designer paper. You can make more than 22. You can make the whole design or paper. Good morning, Linda. Welcome in. And then we have this one. And I'll show you one more. And we have that one. So my friends, we will recap. For $55 plus shipping and handling, you get supplies to make all 22 of those cards that I just showed. You get a half a pack of the Ocean's Friends designer paper, one of each pattern, 12 by 12. You get a half a pack of the Thankful Gardens designer paper, one of each pattern. And we're going to be using this template. It's a no waste template. You use every single ounce of this designer paper. And like I said, you don't have to stop at the 22. You can make the whole packet if you would like, and then provide your own. If you need additional card bases, please reach out to me and we can maybe get an add-on of purchase or whatever and send you additional card bases. But that is it. That is the registration. It is currently open and it closes on March 2nd of 2025. The packets will be mailed out around the 19th of March, and the videos will be sent on February 28th. You do not have to be live. These are pre-recorded videos. I upload them to YouTube to a private link, an unlisted link, and I email those links out to you. You can craft at your own pace. You don't have to be available when I send these links out to you. So, like I said, I give you video step-by-step instructions on how to create the 22 cards, and the supplies that you will need to purchase, obviously. Your inks, I'll give you a list of all the inks that I'm going to be using, as well as the bundles. Again, you will need are the Ocean's Friends bundles, as well as the spring corner photopolymer. Okay, that was a lot of information. Do I have any questions? Like I said, all of the details are on my blog post at cardsbytlc.com, and as well as the social media. You will look for this graphic, and all of the details are, the link to the registration is there. You just have to, with the registration, it's a little different this time. You just have to hit the arrow when it brings up the constant contact registration form. You hit the plus sign, and then it goes to the next page, and you choose which one, whether you want to have the packets mailed to you, or if you're local here in Pinole, California, you could pick up the packets here on my front porch. And then the next page will lead to a registration form. You fill all of that information out. And then the final page is your payment page. Is this for starting up? Linda, we can get together and create the cards together. So if you want to learn all about this, I can give you, because you're my dear friend here in Pinole and you don't have the supplies, we can figure out a way to craft together. So if you're interested, let me know, reach out, and we can make these kits together. So I know you've made cards with me in the past and you've loved doing that. So if you would love to get together and we can craft together, it's a great way to get started. I show you how to cut up each paper, and it's just honestly cutting paper and just stamping. So we can get together. Okay, Linda, get in touch with me, my dear friend, after this live, and we can figure out what we can do. So we can certainly craft together and have fun, and maybe we can even get some friends together and we can go to the local pizza parlor and craft together. So unless if it's more than a couple people, otherwise we can come here and craft. So I would love to make these with you, so get in touch with me. But in the meantime, if you guys have any questions whatsoever, please reach out to me at cardsbytlc.com. All of the details are there. All of the details are, okay, Patty, we will craft together. We'll figure it out. So Linda, Patty, and I, we can craft together. So again, all of these projects are pre-recorded and upload to a unlisted YouTube link that you will have step-by-step video instructions that you can craft at your own pace. So I hope that you all have a wonderful day. Again, if you have any questions whatsoever, please reach out to me, and I will see you soon. Have a great weekend, everybody. Bye.